Nikon D750 for 2021. This is my copy of the D750. 2021. Camera is now 6 years old. And is it still worth it in 2021? Well, let's have a look at the camera first. Mine is a bit, well, used. You have the flappy bits, microphone, headset, HDMI, micro USB, remote connection, Wi-Fi. You have the flippy tilty screen. So that's useful. It has switches, buttons. Well, here's the interesting bit. It has dual card slot, 2 cheap SD cards. I use my camera for time lapse. Set it up for a week and it shoots a time lapse for a week. I have dual cards, 128. So I have a dummy adapter, so it goes, well, all week, every day, all day, every night, all night. So the question is it still worth it? D750. The other thing is it shoots 6.5 frames a second. It does 1/4000, so it's less fast as the D850, for example, but it's not really necessary. Going back to the it has a tilty screen, like I said before. Menu does everything you need. So now the question is, the D750 for 2021, is it still worth it? I would say yes. It's a wonderful camera. It's a well, I would almost say a workhorse camera. I use it all day, every day. Well, not every day, but I use it a lot. It's not being replaced by my D850 because that's a different segment of a camera. But there is a thing. If you want to have a good camera, this is it. Are there better cameras? Of course. The Z6 version 2, which I call the fixed edition of the Z6, is a good camera. It is a hybrid camera. It's a little bit different than a DSLR. It does video much better, of course, but it's more expensive. If you look at the D780, it has IAF. It has a lot of features that the D850 has, but then again, it's $2,300 if you get that $150 discount. So let's say it's $2,500, so $1,000 more. Is that something you want to spend? Is that worth it to you? So the question all goes to $1,400 new. Z6 II, $2,000 new. D780, $2,500 new. These cameras are hitting the market right now, second hand for $600, $700. There is no full frame camera in this range with 24 megapixels that can compete with it. There is no. So, is it worth it? Over the last 6 years I owned this camera. I really enjoyed it. I took great pictures. I shot my best pictures with this camera. So is it worth it? Yes, but it all depends on how much are you willing to spend. If you have $2,500 and it's just waiting to be spent, I would say get a Z6 II or a D780, because this camera is getting slightly older, and I would only get it for the extra features like video and IAF. I would not get it because of the image quality, because the image quality between the D750 and the D780, you can't tell. Really, trust me. It's not $1,000 better. So that's it. So that's my thoughts on the D750. If you can get this camera secondhand for $600, $700, $800, it's a steal. It's a steal, really. Get it, learn on it. Get your skills and go from there. So that's what I think. Please help me out, share, like, subscribe and all that stuff. And see you until the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.